I just got back from the airport, dropping off my old friend Dottie, who was down to see me in the play this past weekend in Sierra Madre. And yesterday we got our hands in the dirt and did some clearing out. Dottie is a master gardener. She knows a lot about bulbs, which I know next to nothing about. She knows a lot about roses and flowers. So I learned a lot and we had a lot of fun. Check it out.
I would hold off on watering them maybe for a little bit to see if the leaves kind of do their thing and dry out eventually.
You mean after we plant?
Yeah.
If you had a huge garden.
Yeah, then you could leave it alone, but you're so cramped for space, Kay, that I would.
And the thing is, at this point, it's probably already dropped a billion seeds.
Yeah, I know. Now, in order to grow more, Kay, you need to get rid of this borage. Because it's either just taking over, you know, and shading out everything. I like this netting. Is this specifically for gardening?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a garden trellis.
Oh, okay.
This was this great structure that we built in one video, and then it never really got used because the peas didn't materialize.
Oh, shoot. This is why it helps to have space for the roots.
Yeah, wow.
If we have a bloom, Kay, we can...
Is that deep enough?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's easy. So you leave it a little bit, you leave the top of it exposed?
Yeah.
Okay. And you don't think we need any compost or plant food or anything?
I don't think so.
Oh, this is exciting. I've had these in my windowsill for 2 years.
Oh, are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding. Oh, no, I take it back. I think 2 of them were dried and in my cabinet.
Oh, and then you took them back out.
Yeah, something like that. Oh, this is going to be so beautiful when they bloom. You're doing all the work, but it's actually not that much work, is it?
No.
And that's not too close to the fence because if it grows up, it'll just fall against the fence anyway. That'll be good. Oh, wow. That's going to be gorgeous.
You have a broom, right?
Yes, of course. They'll bloom in the spring?
They could bloom in the winter for you because of
that would be...
your climate down here is a little bit different than Salinas. So they might bloom a little earlier. So this will go in the green waste, right?
We decided to take out this 3-year-old orange tie because it just doesn't look like it's gonna make it. But I do have some new growth on the 2nd-year plant, so we're gonna preserve that for now and maybe prune it back a little, see what happens. Wow, you've got it out already. Dottie doesn't mess around. So what Dottie's doing now is we decided that we would take off the blooms of the borage and then preserve the leaves and the stems for compost tea. But there are probably already a lot of seeds in the flowers, and if I make compost tea with the flowers, then I'm just going to be watering borage seeds all over my garden, and I already have so much. Good idea to wear gloves when you're working with borage because it's very prickly. We're just cutting the flowers off so the seeds don't get into the compost tea, keeping the leaves and the stems.
I try to have mine resharpened.
Professionally?
Yeah. And that
I did that once.
extends the wear. Composted or just dumped?
In the green bin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gonna take out the lobelia because something hit it and it looks awful. So you pulled it out with one handful.
Well, we still have to dig out the roots.
You know what?
Let's hold on to that.
We may do that tomorrow. Now we've revealed this garlic bed, which probably there's not much down there, but we're gonna need to prop up the cilantro, which was being propped up by the borage, and the lemon verbena, which has gone haywire, and we have a ladybug larva down there.
You want me to hold something while you tie, or?
No,
You got it. You got the clips?
Yep. You know, I'm gonna have Eric do this one tomorrow
Yeah.
because that needs to be counted. There's plenty of stuff for the bees to go around. They don't have to go for the thing I'm working on. Stems. Oh gosh, look down here. It's awful. Awful. So you can see the size of these peas. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I think we should shell those and put them in our salad tonight, don't you? Yeah. It's this constant battle with the raccoons. So I thought, you know what? If I find that they don't like the to go on those rocks in the back,
Yes.
I might take the wood chips out and
And
just
put the rock in.
put rock there. Yes. So I thought we would maybe we'll take out all the onions except, I don't know when onions are ready, but I was thinking we might take the onions except for maybe 2 or 3, let them go to seed, go to bloom, because the bees, it will kind of help replace some of the borage for the bees, you know. Okay.
And one of these looks good.
The one beside it I think is bigger. Yeah, it's longer.
Okay. Nice.
Beauties.
Very nice.
Is that all you want?
Yeah.
This is called a 4th of July rose, and ever since I came back from England I wanted to have a climbing rose going up the side of my house. So I don't know much about roses. My friend Dottie knows a lot about roses. So we went and bought one when she was visiting. Took a bit of a beating getting it into my Prius and out. And then tomorrow when Eric comes, it'll get planted in the ground. nothing is more fun than gardening with a friend who shares your passion. And next weekend, I get to do it again with a brand new friend, a late bloomer fan who's driving down from Las Vegas with her daughter to see me in the play, Patty Hayden. You've heard about her before. And after the play, we're going to get into the garden and get our hands dirty. So look forward to that. In the meantime, please give me a like on this video and share this channel with your friends and help it grow. And I'll see you in the next one. Look at the size of that. Wow.